Feeling tired all day even after sleeping? You're not alone. Millions of Americans wake up tired, stressed and unfocused every single day. But why does this happen? And more importantly, how do you fix it? Problem number 1, bad morning habits. Checking your phone first thing in the morning keeps your brain stressed. Solution: start your day without your phone. Problem number 2, no movement. Your body needs movement to wake up your energy system. A 15-20 minute walk can boost energy naturally. Problem number 3, poor sleep habits. Blue light delays sleep and ruins recovery. Stop using your phone 30 minutes before bed. Problem number 4, sugar-heavy diets. Sugar gives quick energy, then crashes you hard. Choose protein and whole foods instead. Small habits create big energy changes. More focus, better mood, real energy. You don't need extreme workouts or supplements. Just start with one habit today.